orange scissors. On the table. I think it's still on the
you have to
table.
do it on this side.
Find the tape and put it.
It
Yeah.
might be in the red box, actually.
It's a book.
Yeah?
Ooh.
It's a book.
What kind of book is it?
A dinosaur.
Oh, whoa! Is that a T-Rex?
Yes, I'm a dinosaur. I'm a dinosaur.
Wow.
Santa Claus knows you like dinosaurs.
Wow. Oh,
Whoa, look at the
damn.
pictures.
It's going to be a super cool book.
I want with this.
It's Beckham watches. Why do we need scissors?
Cut the nerf gun open.
Yeah, those are markers, I think.
Here you go. I'll take the Nerf gun.
And
We can open it later. We don't have to get shooting with that right now.
You can color with those.
These are your last moments of peace and quiet, Beth.
How about this?
Oh, we got it. You want to try to open it? This one's hard. How do you open it? Can you start it on the side? No?
This one.
Let's do that one.
Yeah. Let's do it. Now, let's do it.
All right. Can you open it? Maybe over starting over here.
Yeah.
Now he's getting good at it. Look, that's how you open a present. Do you see, Beth? Do you see how Liam's opening it?
Is that another?
Oh. Wow, what is that?
It's
Is that a hammerhead shark?
no.
What is it?
It's not Stegosaurus.
It's not.
This is a Stegosaurus.
Oh. It's
This-
called...
And this is war.
It's, you know,
War.